We already saw about the origin of Indian cinema. In this section, we would focus on Indian television and the introduction of first television in India. So that started on 15 September 1959 on an experimental basis in New Delhi, that time Delhi. So it was basically a temporary studio which was established with a very low power transmitter and just 21 community TV sets which were brought. All India Radio brought in the technical assistance for the same. However, in 1965, 1 hour daily broadcast of news was started on a regular basis. Then the services were expanded to Mumbai in 1972. 1975, it was further expanded to Calcutta, Chennai, Srinagar, Amritsar and Lucknow as news stations were established there. By 1975 to 76, SITE was established, which was the Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, where borrowed satellite was used to deliver television content to 2,400 remote villages which were underdeveloped and hard to reach areas. And then this Doordarshan established as a public terrestrial TV channel which was operated by Prasar Bharati, an autonomous body under Government of India. So what happened was this whole journey from 1959 then on, which started from a temporary transmitter, just 21 community TV sets, to the launch of All India Radio, separation of All India Radio and Doordarshan, and extension of the services in Mumbai in the areas of Chennai, Calcutta, Srinagar. There was separate satellites which were brought in for the region. Another important thing was by 1995 there was a deal with CNN which was reached with Doordarshan, and it talked about 24 hours a day of broadcast which would be brought in exchange of an annual fees of 1.5 million and a sharing revenue for the same which would be released. So in 1982 it was the nationwide programs on Doordarshan which started with the launch on the coverage of Asian Games in India and the live telecast of Independence Day Parade for the first time in 1982. That time there was a period where popular serials on TV started. The most popular serial which started was Hum Log in 1984, Bunyadi in 86, then Ramayan 87, Mahabharat 88, and it captivated the common people. There were music programs like Chitrahar, Rangoli which were started. Then we had Vyomkesh Bakshi, believed as an Indian Sherlock Holmes. Janki Jasoos was another serial. Karamchand, who featured Pankaj Kapoor, was again one of the popular serials on